Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing a product from Peak Design called the Clutch, and it is a little camera strap. Let me just show you inside. That just goes sort of around your hand and holds the camera sort of nice and snug, so you don't have to worry about dropping it. I don't know if that was in focus actually because I was looking there, but there we are. Let me open it and give you a little look, and then we'll put it on so you can see what it's like. So here are these. Well, let me just, well, it's all falling. Shouldn't do these unboxings without a proper table, but anyway, I'm just getting this clip off to show you what it looks like inside. So that's the little clip, it just goes into there. Let me take it out so I can actually show you the whole thing. It's a bit tricky. I've got one of these on my camera that's filming. I'll just need it for my backup camera as well, so that's why I bought a second one. Let me show you the inside of this. So you've got that page and that page, and now I'll show you how it goes on. So basically in here, let me just show you this part. Oh, dropped a clip. You get this little plate, you get all these plates and clips and things, and another one of these. So, well, let me just pick up the little thing that fell. That was part of the camera. Okay, so what happens is this little plate goes on the bottom of the camera, like so. Need the little Allen key to put that one on. The old one used to be able to be put on with like a coin or something, you know, like a, let me just see, so, okay. So that's secured onto there. Now you need to attach this cable onto the side of the camera so that it sits like that. Alright, so I've attached it onto there, so as you can see it just clips, goes through the loop and then clips into here, and that's movable so that you can open that and close it. And then this will fit onto here, onto which you put one of these little ties. So the tie just goes through the hole and then out the other side, and then onto here clips this. And that's it, and now you've got your little clip, so your hand can go in there and you just tighten that by pulling it. And it's just a really easy way to carry the camera, so you've got that extra security if you were to let go, that there's a little strap there. I just enjoy filming with it, or taking photos with it. I just know I've got that extra little security point. It's very easy just to take your hand out, back in. This one's a little bit stiff because it's new, but once it sort of molds to your hand, it just feels natural to hold the camera like that, and you can have it dangling, you can, you know, talk to someone. You've just got that extra little security. And the good thing about these is they're compatible with all the straps. I believe all of them, the one I've got, it is compatible. So all you do is just, you can put another one of these on the top there, and you can put your strap on, and then you can easily take that off, and you could click your strap into there if you're, you know, hanging over the shoulder or however you want it. So there's lots of options to sort of move around with this and the straps. And I believe these are ARCA and I think Manfrotto compatible. Don't quote me on that. I'll leave the link to the product in the description. But yeah, I use them with my ARCA plates, so, and they've been fine. Yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, have got anything out of it, just give a thumbs up. and subscribe if you want to see more from me. If you've got any questions about this or its compatibility with anything, just ask me. I think on the box it says they're designed for more like a full frame camera, but I've used them on full frame and APS-C, as this one is the A6400, and there's no problem, they fit fine, so I haven't had any issues. But obviously, I mean, the optimal design's probably so that your hand is sort of hitting there on a bigger camera, but at this stage I can't find a similar product for the smaller cameras, so I'm just using that one and I'm happy with it. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!